Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Vscode and Python are installed. Once confirmed, open Vscode and install the Python extension, then the Jupyter extension. Make sure to open your project folder so the workspace settings apply. This avoids kernel path issues. Create a new IPINB or open an existing notebook to trigger the extension. The IDE then detects interpreters. Select one. This sets the environment. You're ready to continue to kernel configuration and cell execution. Now pick the kernel. Click the top right kernel selector and choose your interpreter or conda environment. If you don't see it, install ipykernel in that env and register it. For example, pip install ipykernel. Once registered, restart Vscode if needed, then select the new kernel. Execute cells with the Run button or Shift plus Enter. Use Run all to execute the whole notebook. Make sure outputs appear inline, and use the variables view to inspect state. This helps verify the kernel is communicating properly. Finalize by locking the interpreter in workspace settings so reopening uses the same kernel. Once done, install any missing packages using the selected environment. This prevents import error during runs. If execution stalls, open the Jupyter output and developer tools to see errors, then restart the kernel or Vscode. If the kernel won't start, recreate the ipykernel in that env or select another interpreter. That usually resolves path mismatches. One quick tip: restart Vscode after kernel install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.